Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Joy of Gardening. Today, I am growing Canna Lily rhizomes or bulbs. The variety I'm growing is called Angel Martin. It has beautiful maroon foliage and peachy pink flowers. They look absolutely wonderful in any corner of the garden, but they have to be in the area where they can get 6 to 8 hours of sunshine. And remember that canna lilies are heavy feeders. So when you see that they have started sprouting, you have to feed them with slow release fertilizers, especially with the 14% nitrogen, because their leaves are enormous, they're big. So that's why at least 14% nitrogen is ideal. And also don't let them dry out. They have to be they have to have a moisture all the time, but not soggy. If there is a too much water, then their bulbs can rot as well. So we have to have a happy medium, and not too much water, but not let them dry. If you let them dry, and the bulbs or rhizomes will dry out as well. Okay, so I will show you how I'm going to plant this. I'm using a regular potting soil. I'm starting it indoors because although it is officially spring, but our spring looked like that. I still have snow on the ground. So just to give them a head start, I'm starting it indoors. Okay, if you're also living in a colder climates like me, you can start your seeds and bulbs indoors 4 to 6 weeks at least before uh, you can take your plants outside. Okay, all right. So about canna lilies, that they are zone 7 to 10 onwards. They are hardy, but if you're living in less than 7 zone or in a colder climate, then you have to lift them in a fall and store them in a cool and dry place. You have to take off their dirt off and put them in a peat moss or vermiculite, whatever, or the wood shaving like I have done, right? So you can store and in your basement or under the staircase where there is no sunlight. And the idea of storing them in a peat moss or wood shavings or vermiculite so that there is no moisture. If there is a moisture, of course there will be a moisture because you just lift it up. So this wood shaving or peat moss, they take the moisture out, right? They soak the moisture in it so that your bulbs or rhizomes are not rotten. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to now plant this. So I will show you how does the rhizomes look like. And you can see this is the eye. This is the eye that you have to put it upwards, but you have to plant them sideways like that. Okay. I pre-moist this soil, but I'm going to put a little bit water after as well. Okay, so the planting is all done. I'm going to put a little bit of water on top of it. And I have this a sunny window and so many other sunny window. I will keep all these pots in the windows so that it helps to grow. I don't usually use the grow lights. As you can see, little plants are growing here. These are zinnias, tomatoes, and marigolds. So that helps a lot, having a sunny window where you don't have to use grow lights, and they're doing very well. And so I will see you. Hope this is helpful, and I will give you update when they started growing, and also during the fall when I'm going to lift them up and bring them inside. I will show you how you can store those rhizomes. Okay, and you take care. Bye.